Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. So we have to take a plastic cup and then paste these sticks on the sides of it. Now you have to fill the clay like this on the sides, or cover it rather than. Now take a tissue paper and then tie them together like this. Now fix it on the top, and then with the double-sided tape we'll be putting the clay over it like this, and your hot air balloon is ready. Next we'll be making this beautiful bow. So take a printed origami paper, fold it like this and press it from the sides. Now after pressing it, we'll be folding it from the top like this. Now press it. Now after that, we'll be folding it from the top like this. Now after that, spread it little bit as shown in the video. Now keep folding it as we are folding here, and then press it like this from the sides. Now after that, fold it from the top and tuck it inside like this, and then fix it. Now after that, make a bow over the heart shaped papers like this and fix it, and paste a red color dot in the between, and it's done. Next we'll be taking the red color clay balls to make the flowers. Draw the lines over it like this. Put the yellow color clay in the between. Now take a stick and roll it with the green clay and fix the flower over it. Now take the leaves and draw the lines like this and fix it. Now take a clay and fill it in the plastic cup. Make a flower, and it's done. Next, take the pen and then you have to remove every parts of it like this by opening it. Now open it like this and then fix it on the back side, and then put the rubber band like this. Fix it and put the leads in the front. Now we have to fix the threads, or you can using the rubber band, it's done. Next, take a paper cup and cut them like this from the sides and spread it. Now after that, fill the clay inside it. Now after that, you have to put a stick over it and then take the clay balls and fix them to make the leaves, and it's ready. Next, you have to take empty container and then you have to paste the wooden cardboard sheet around it like this. Now after that, you have to fill the clay over it and make a base. Now after that, you have to fix a stick like this, put the clay balls, and it's done. Next, take a cylindrical object and paste the wooden sticks on the sides of it and fill the clay. Now make some dots. Now take the earbuds and color it. Now make the flowers as shown in the video and fix it over these sticks like this, and it's done. Next, take the walnut shell and then color them with the black color like this. Take the clay to make its eyes and join them. Make its nose and beak. Now we have to make its ears. Now make a tail, and it's done. Next, we'll be taking a empty container or water bottle cap and then make a hole in it, and then we have to fix the string inside it like this. Now after fixing the string, take a paper and make an aeroplane like this. Now fix the cotton on the sides of it, and it's done. Next, take a paper and then draw the star over it by folding it first. So fold it like this, and after folding it, you have to cut it out. Now after cutting it, you will get a beautiful star, and it's done. Next, we'll be taking the water bottle cap, make a hole in it and fix a stick like this, and your toy is ready. Thanks for watching our video.